Sestra. Hello my friends, I have a lot of time with making a video because to be honest I am really excited about the thing that I am doing now. So today we are going to have a night here in Novi Sad. We're gonna drink, we're gonna have fun, we're gonna drink rakia, we're gonna drink beer, and we will see how it's going on.
Hi everyone, this is Teresa from Peru. Well, I live in here around 9 months and it is perfect for me. Serbia has an atmosphere, a special atmosphere, different to another country, so if you want to come to Serbia, you can ask for some information in his channel.
So tonight we come here. So tonight we're gonna drink what?
Rakia, beer, and Serbian wine.
Serbian wine, of course. Tonight is the night, man. And she is Daniela. She doesn't speak English, but she can say in some words in Spanish. So, Daniela, ¿qué vamos a tomar hoy?
Rakia.
¿Qué más?
Cerveza.
¿Qué más?
Lo que venga.
Lo que venga. So tonight we're gonna walk maybe 2-3 cafanas. Here in Novi Sad that is famous. Here in Serbia is famous a bar. Se calle, se sobe, es Cafana. The name is Cafana, so we will walk at that places and we're gonna drink the rakia and we will see how it's going on the night here in Novi Sad. Of course, this is the first beer, so we are in the first bar because we need time to make, it's early, it's 9 p.m. So, Teresa, Daniela, Jimmy, salud, cheers. Sada mismo ulas ensalas, hoy kao nacional. Wow, we are in las ensalas. This is like traditional Serbian restaurant, and we are gonna drink rakia. Živeli! Párate muy. Mi smo latinosi u Srbiji, bre! Latinos en Serbia, latinos en Serbia. Salud, salud, živeli! Sestra. Živeli! Well guys, we were at Lasino Las ensalas, pilismo rakiu,
Hi
pilismo
everyone,
pivo.
this is Three Lattes in Serbia, in this case, Peruvian, Mexican, and Chilean.
Wow. This Chilean doesn't speak English, but di algo.
Hola, gente.
And we are
We
enjoying.
enjoy this night. The night is free right now. It is a good atmosphere, good weather. Well, we are going to the next stop, okay?
Yeah, we are going to the fucking next stop, man. We are drinking. This is Friday petak of the Serbi on the Ujibamo brate. Ujibamo ste. Well, after that restaurant, we are here in some feria, sobre Rivia Piazza. This is like a night where the people is coming here to sell stuff and enjoy the night. I am enjoying with new beer. Not God, amazing. Everything is handcraft and it's really, really good. Something that I know from Serbia is that here the people appreciate a lot the handcraft stuff. So it's amazing, it's really amazing, really amazing. Well, for example, now we are looking some beers and alcohol and wine, everything handcraft. It's very good. Well, guys, this was a little adventure here in Serbia in the night. It's a lot to see, it's a lot to watch, it's a lot to enjoy. If you have the chance, come to Serbia, enjoy it, and I don't know if you want to tell us something. We are so drunk, man. So I don't know what the fuck I'm speaking. So, Teresa.
You can find everything here, the best food in Europe, the best beers here in Europe, and obviously it is a safe country. That is important for a Latin like us.
En Spanish.
No. Puedes encontrar la mejor comida en Europa, las mejores cervezas y lo importante para un latinoamericano, mucha seguridad.
Mucha
Puede
seguridad.
ser
sí,
como
sí.
es, sí, así.
Sí, la comida está buena también.
Así es.
Well, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Laku noch, buenas noches, good night. Pedimos postre. Para temoy.